to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making a chicken pot pie. Let's get started. First, we're going to season the chicken and then we're going to stir it. Wet hand, dry hand.
Oh yeah, wet hand, dry hand. So which hand you gonna touch the chicken with?
I think this hand.
Yeah, your left hand. And season with your right. Good job.
Now let's do the other side. Now we're gonna sear it. Just put oil in the pan. Is that enough?
That's good.
Okay. And then
Just move the oil around.
yeah. And then do it. And then just put it in.
Just sear it.
Ready? 3, 2. Now we're gonna flip it. Now let's get it in the oven. Now my dad is gonna cut the vegetables. Now let's saute the vegetables for a little bit of oil.
Good, that's good.
There
you go. No, that's fine. That's about the right amount. A little teaspoon.
And start with the carrots first. I don't know how to do it. Is this how you do it?
Just dump it in there.
3, 2.
There you go. Saute that for a couple of minutes.
Now let's saute the onions and the celery. Okay. Just dump it right in. Are you kidding me?
Come on. This is called a basic mirepoix. We're going to saute all this. And then we're going to add the peas.
My dad's gonna add the peas.
Put a little bit of frozen peas in there, let all that cook together. We add a dash of salt. We'll let that cook for about 2 minutes. That's good, buddy.
Now that the chicken is rested, let's cut up the chicken.
Yep, that's done perfectly. We're just gonna cut this into chunks for the chicken pot pie, but it's still hot, so I can't touch it with my hands. Right, so I'll make that a little smaller. You want all of them to be bite-sized pieces. The vegetables, the chickens, whatever you're gonna put in your pot pie. This will turn out to be really good, buddy.
Hope it. And I really want to eat it.
It's gonna be great.
So this is making me hungry.
Make it a little bit smaller.
So my dad rolled out 2 pot pies. And we added chicken to the vegetables. Now let's make the gravy. Just pour it right in here. Now let's add the cornstarch. Put it right in the middle. I'm stirring.
Good job, buddy. Good job. We'll put this on low. Now where are we gonna put it?
And the pot pie.
Cool. Let's get it in the pot pie.
Now my dad's gonna put in the pot pie.
I'm gonna fill this up about 3/4 of the way. We're gonna make 2 different pot pies, one with a biscuit topping and one with a pie dough topping. And I'll show you the difference in just a second. I got enough for 3. Let's make a 3rd one.
So we have 2 pot pies, my dad and mine. My dad is gonna take the pie lid. Do it like this. Is that right, Dad?
That's right. That's how you do it, buddy. You want to wet the edge of that pie dough.
I don't want to touch the food though. That's kind of difficult part.
Right. I'll do the rest from there. I'll put the lid on. So that's why you put water on the crust and then you crimp it with your fingertips to hold it down to make the pot pie. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And when you do that, you're slowly pinching it off. See?
Yep.
And there is your pot pie.
Yay.
Now you've got to cut vent holes in it. So I'm gonna get a knife and put my pinholes in there. Put a hole here, and a hole here, and a hole here. There you go. I just made 3 little vent holes. Now this one, this is yours. We're gonna do a biscuit topping. So now for Kid Troy's, we're gonna take a basic biscuit that you can buy any store brand. But we just want the dough. We want to stretch this out, so you want to flatten it as far as you can get it. Get the grands or the really big biscuits and try to stretch them out as far as you can, because these are going to grow big. And this is going to serve as your lid for the pot pie. There we go. Just pull them with your fingertips. Stretch it out. Don't pull too fast. You might rip it. And you want to even out to be the same size as the pot pie. keep measuring. Keep measuring. All right, so there we go. We got it stretched out. And don't forget, you gotta put your vent holes in here so this doesn't explode in the oven. So you just poke a hole right in the middle, cut that dough open. Try not to hit the bottom like I just did. There you go. Gotta have somewhere for the steam to go. There you go. Make that hole kind of big. Take the knife and twist it a little bit. Like that. And there's your pot pie. Stick it in here with the other one. Now let's get these in the oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes on 400. Oh wow, Troy, look at yours, man. Yours looks so good, dude.
And yours look good as well.
Oh yeah, man. Actually, I need mine to brown a little bit more. But look at that biscuit topping. Oh my God, that's great. Yo, that is hot, man. Okay, let's hope that one gets a little more brown.
So here's our chicken pot pie. That looks like the best chicken pot pie ever. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.